video in one take. Let's see if we can do this. So it's been a couple months since I've been on YouTube. I've just been staying away for a couple reasons, couple things happening in my life. It's been a while since I've read the comments. I've just taken a break from that. Came back recently and I was overwhelmed with how many people were making comments misconstruing my opinion on MIG welding. Heaps and heaps of people getting so offended that I prefer stick welding over MIG welding and think that it's a better option for beginners. Alright, I'm gonna settle this now. MIG welding has a purpose. MIG welding is fantastic, right? It is awesome. That's why it's used in so many places. However, I, based on my experience, do not think MIG welding is the best option to start with. It does have its place, but based on a number of reasons, I think stick welding is a better option to start with for most hobbyists and people who just want to get into welding without a lot of cost and fuss. If you've started with MIG welding and it works for you, that is great. If you've started with stick, that works for you. That's fantastic. If you've started with TIG and that works for you and you could somehow learn it, that is incredible. I'm just telling you my opinion based on my experience. On top of this, I think it's foolish to say things like you can't do this with this particular kind of welding method. Look, it all works. You can weld razor blades together with stick. I've seen it done. I know it can work. You can weld 30mm steel together with MIG. It all works, right? I'm just telling you what you can do for the least amount of hassle, least frustration, and with the least cost. I've always preferred stick welding. I started with stick, but I've done hundreds of hours of MIG. MIG has never really worked for me. I'm better at MIG welding than I am at stick, but I still prefer stick welding. It's just the way the cookie is crumbled. Whatever method of welding you like, that's awesome. Keep it up as long as we're welding. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless. I'll see you in the next video.